Okay, dahil busy ang may-ari ng bag.
Let's make a bag, right? This is
Okay.
for Aloba. This bag is for Aloba.
What's
Okay.
that? What's inside?
She have a phone.
What the phone?
I think Samsung.
Okay.
And a lip
Wow, ano yan?
gloss.
Lip gloss.
And then the very important thing is
What's the very...
cutting ko.
You do it like this, okay?
Cutting
Cutting
ko,
ko.
guys. Cutting ko.
Cutting ko oil ointment.
Wow.
Wow, naglo-lipstick na siya.
It's Max.
Oh, yamanin ha, naka-max lipstick.
Oh, it's Max lipstick. And
And
guys, also very important. Oh my God. Oh.
This is for the
And
ilong.
Tissue.
And another one, tissue.
Oh.
Very important
Very
also.
important
For the
And
sipon.
Wipes.
And then wet wipes also, very
And
important.
you know, our friend is very right. Yayamanin. She has
Wow.
Oh, guys, it's very heavy. Heavy.
Points.
Can
Oh.
you hold your bag? Okay, guys, it's okay to open your wallet. Okay, guys.
Yo.
Guys, walang laman. Tingnan mo.
Wallet reveal.
Guys, it's
Wow.
Oh my God! Look at this. It's all gold.
Mapi
Oh,
Masari.
minus siya,
It's
minus.
all gold. And here.
Uy, wag mo papakita yung ano.
Very important also this.
Very important yung picture nila.
Oh my God, guys. It's a lot of cash.
A lot of cash. Wow!
Wow!
Ang dami-daming pera.
Ang dami. Guys, every country.
Wow, may 5,000 siya.
All over
May
the world.
5,000. May 50 Turkey.
Ay,
grabe.
Okay,
Pwede
that's
nang
it.
pang ano.
That's enough.
Eh,
My
pwede
wallet?
nang,
No, it's not for rebel.
pwede nang pang ano yan, pang for good. Oh, your phone. O, di ba? Ikaw na ang nagbalik. O, let's go sa go. Hindi rin naman tayo kasya sa ano, taxi.
At least intayin natin, ano?